Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Are you ready to master the basics of Notion and take control of your productivity? In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through how to create and edit pages in Notion, the foundation for building your own workspace. By the end, you'll be comfortable setting up new pages, customizing their appearance, and organizing content exactly how you want. So let's dive in and get you set up. Starting off, look at the top left corner of your Notion window. You'll notice a drop-down button. This is your gateway to adding new features and elements. It might look like 3 dots or just say More Options, depending on your layout or device. If you give that a click, you'll see several choices come up. What we want here is Page. Click on Page to begin. Creating a page in Notion is a bit like opening up a brand new sketchbook. Blank, but full of potential. Think of each page as a canvas where you can organize ideas, lists, project plans, or even just notes to yourself. It's completely customizable, and right now, you're at the very beginning. Take a moment to appreciate that fresh space. Don't worry if it feels empty or overwhelming at first. The next step is to give your page a personal touch. Start by adding a headline that tells you what this page is all about. For example, if you're planning a summer trip, you might title it Summer Vacation Plans. A clear headline not only helps keep things organized, but also makes it much easier to find your notes later on, especially as your workspace grows. Now, for a bit of fun, Notion lets you add emojis and a cover image right at the top of your page. Emojis can help you visually identify pages at a glance, maybe a suitcase for travel plans, or a book for reading lists. To add one, just click on the emoji icon next to your page name and choose something that fits your theme or mood. If you want to go a step further, click Add Cover and select an image. This will make your page look more vibrant and personal. Sometimes, these small touches can turn an ordinary document into something you enjoy returning to. But what if you want to organize things a bit further? Notion is brilliant because you can create subpages. Think of these as chapters within your main notebook. Maybe under your Summer Vacation Plans page, you'd have a subpage for Packing List and another for Itinerary. To add a subpage, simply look for the New Page option on your main page. Give it a name that makes sense to you. And don't worry, you can edit these subpages just as easily as your main page. Add headlines, emojis, covers, the works. Each one operates independently, so if you want a totally different vibe or structure, it's totally up to you. This is where Notion really becomes powerful, because you can nest pages, build out complex ideas, or keep things neat and simple. So that's really all there is to getting started with creating and editing pages in Notion. Remember, your creativity is the only limit here. As you get more comfortable with these basics, you can experiment with layouts, templates, and more advanced features. For now, just play around and see how you can make Notion fit your style. If this video was helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And if you've got any questions or run into any issues, let me know in the comments below. I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.